Hey, big guy. Yeah, happy to report everything's going to plan. The elves have arrived and we are at peak production levels. Now make sure you sign that Santa Claus I sent over. All right, bye. Well, you guessed it, folks. We're happy to announce that this holiday season, we're teaming up with the North Pole. We've worked closely with Santa and his crew in the past, but shipping to the top of the globe and back is really inefficient. So instead, we've improved logistics, brought in some helping hands to make sure you get the gifts you want this holiday season. And don't worry, we have our call center ready to Christmas cheer you on with gift ideas or your current project, whatever it may be. 1979 Slaymaster, huh? So you better not pout.
Tell him why.
I am telling them why. From our studio to our call center, all the way to our warehouse, we're double checking our list to make sure that Eastwood helps you have the best Christmas ever. That's a wrap.